The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
Good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 40 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. So accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Before I rule on your motion, I want to take this opportunity to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for the excellent job they have done to assure that all the candidates are well qualified for admission. The committee's work is important and greatly appreciated by all the justices of the court. Now we turn to the motion before the court. Justice Cardozo famously said, "Justice delayed is justice denied." Well, there will be no delay of justice today because my colleagues have authorized me to grant the motion. The oath will now be administered by the clerk of the court, Susana Rojas.
Good afternoon, Justice Kern. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do," if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do. I do. I do.
I do.
I do. I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Congratulations, you are now officially lawyers. It is customary for one of the justices to give some welcoming words to you, the newly admitted lawyers. Today, that honor falls to Justice Kennedy.
Good afternoon, new lawyers, and welcome to the New York State Bar. I congratulate you and your loved ones on this outstanding achievement. While you should be proud of what you accomplished, I encourage you to remain humble. And as you enter this legal profession, there are a few things that I would like you to remember as you advance in your careers, and to borrow from the legendary comedian David Letterman. Here is Justice Kennedy's abbreviated top 10 list. I'm going to give you 4 in no particular order. 1, be authentic and credible. It will be quite difficult to succeed in your career and to advance if you are labeled as someone who is not genuine or trustworthy. Number 2, remember to adhere to high ethical standards. You will be required to observe and to abide by rules of conduct to fulfill your professional responsibilities, to preserve the dignity of and respect for the legal profession. Number 3, the love of money is the root of all evil. Don't fall prey. Now, some of you may be primarily focused on earning a high income, and certainly there is nothing wrong with that. You need money to survive. You must pay back your law school loans, maintain a roof over your head, have the basic necessities, and enjoy the pleasantries of life from time to time. But please, don't sell your soul and compromise your values and sense of self to add a few more dollars in your bank account. Your law degree, it's an asset. Protect it, treasure it, nurture it. And lastly, remember to take time for yourself and to cherish your friends and family. Self-care is essential for your professional success. The airline attendant always instructs us to place our oxygen mask on first before we assist others. This same instruction should guide your everyday lives. This is your charge. Hopefully, I'll get to share the other 6 tips when we meet. Once again, congratulations, and I wish you nothing but the very best.
The admission ceremony is now concluded and court is adjourned.
Thank you to all the justices. They will log off and all of the new attorneys will stay on with me.